When the software GUI found your DSP, it opens the launcher window. In this window you become a few basically informations about your device. You can activate pin protection for your setting, and you can choose the synchronize options. It's really important that the data in the DSP device and the GUI are synchronous. So you can choose, you will read the sound setting from a single preset, only from the active preset from the DSP in the GUI. You can read all 4 presets, the whole setting from the DSP to the software GUI. You can choose write to DSP, the factory default. In this case, you set back your whole device to factory default. Or you can load a setup first. It's especially for the professionals. You can load a complete sound setup and then write this loaded setup to the DSP. Or you can start the setup wizard with the sound up option. In the setup wizard you can create a basic sound setup for your car and your speaker with a few mouse clicks, or you can load complete setup done by us from the SoundUp database.